What's up guys, Prometheus here. We're going to be doing a tutorial on making a gaming overlay for your console so we can stream on YouTube or Twitch. I got some stuff already imported. We're using Hook'em Express. This is a free editing software. Let's go ahead. I imported this white marble texture and I applied the color space converter and changed it to blue. I figured I'd give it a nice little touch to it. We're going to grab the rectangle masking tool and then we're going to go ahead and slide it on down right like this. We're going to try to make this really quick. This is more like a tutorial on how to achieve this, okay, there we go. And, yep. Okay, and then we got this right here, and then we're going to have to click right here. And we're gonna try our best to make it kind of like, let's see, just make our masking tool right there, our freehand masking tool, and drag it down, bring this one over, and that way it's not a square. Extract and invert it back. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and duplicate that. Control D for duplicating. And then grab our cursor here and then bring it on over here. Just kind of eyeballing it right there for now. And we got that kind of shape. We need to fix the other side. Bring it in just a hair. Oops. Right. Oh. Let's do it one more time, and then bring it up, and then let's see. Okay, we'll leave it at that for now. But anyways, and then we'll go ahead and get our masking tool right again, a rectangular masking tool, and kind of come back right here, perhaps, and then bring like that, and then we'll duplicate that and bring it over to the other side, like so. Okay, we need to bring this one, move this up just a hair, I think. Right. Boom. And then bring that once again a little over here. Boom. Okay, yep. And then what we could do is, we have these social media icons. Let's close this up right there. Okay. And then we kind of want to, I think we should maybe put them over to the left here, and just have them kind of, let's see, we'll bring them over, drag that down, and then let's bring it up above this, that way we'll get our ellipse masking tool, and then we'll click and drag. There we go, and then we're going to make it a little smaller. I think that's a little too big. Pretty sure that's too big. Bingo. Put it like right here maybe. Okay. Alright, these are just ideas. If you weren't sure what kind of, maybe this gets you some inspiration and see how you can create your own. We'll bring it down right there, and then we'll squeeze it to the best we can to get it the same size. Okay. Boom. And then we'll do Twitter, and then once again our lips masking tool. Boom. Well, this is a nice little easy way of doing it. I kind of like doing it this way. And then, once again, bingo. Kind of use this line to line them up kind of like that. And this needs to be up a little bit. And over, and bingo. Okay, now we got that up. We need to our TikTok, and then there we go. It's looking pretty good. Move it along nicely. And then boom, and once more. I'll just quick little reference. Size are on up. Bingo. There. Looks pretty good. Now for the YouTube icon, ellipse tool, and bingo. Down. Okay. Just a hair. Alright. Cool. And then let's do, I have to move this over one of the masks, so you can see how it's right there. Try to move it all over. I don't know, we'll take another peek at it. Okay. Alright, not bad, not bad. Okay, so now what we want to do is, from here, looks like we have all our icons, and we have all this. Take our, add a new layer, text layer, and then we're going to F2, because we already have it highlighted. Now you can do this later, but or you can do it now, depends on, you might have better, nicer fonts. And recent, recent, what did do recent, follower, and then we'll take our text and add, I kind of like, I'll have to show you what text, I think it looks really nice and it's clean, right there, there we go, and then we'll just type in recent, follower. And then we'll go ahead and bring our hair, then we still gotta size it up, of course. Of course, later you can make this bar bigger if you wanted to. And we'll have to scale it down to make sure everything fits. Recent follower, we got that, bingo. And then we'll add a text for. I like to do it like this though, so we'll duplicate this one right here. Then we're gonna F2 and rename it recent subscriber. That way you don't get confused for what's going on. And seeing that it's already kind of leveled, you can just kind of bring it on over like so, and then boom. Actually, we'll just do this part right here. No sense in you doing everything. Boom. Now you can later mess with that. And then we'll go ahead and duplicate that once more, and we'll name it. Name this one recent here, like fits and stuff. It over, boom, and then okay, there you go. And we could do one for, like, I don't know, donations or something like that. Two. Donations, and here we go, enter there, we might change it a bit, just in case. We can resize this later, but just for this rule. So that's kind of the same thing. And then this is where you put your gamer tag or whatever. But I did see something. Let's move this over to the left a little bit. It seems like it's a little off. Oh, well, you can just corner. And move it over. There we go, but then we also need to refix. We need to move the mask over, which is not a problem. There we go. And then the other side, we need to move that one around to make sure that it's hiding our stuff. Perfect. Now let's give it a look. Okay, bingo, we have this mask right here, and then what we want to do is, it kind of looks pretty good. So your gamer tag will be right here, or whatever you want, you know, you do your thing. But, go to the effects tab, and let's do neon path, layer only. And we're going to drag it onto the marble just down below right here. Okay, now that we're in the neon path, let's go ahead and I want to say let's do Nightcrawler. Let's try Nightcrawler, and then you got to go back to the mask, and then let's see mask and Nightcrawler. Did we drag it to the right one? Yes, we did. Okay, and let's go back here. Right. That didn't work. Let's try the neon blue. Drag it downward. Try neon blue. Easy. That's crazy. Okay. So Nightcrawler. Oops. Nightcrawler mask. So mask, and let's try this. I just noticed how we need to slide these over a little bit. Okay, now so let's go ahead and try this though. Let's add a new composite shot. Okay, and then let's do the triggerboard, and then let's drag in this. Okay, weird. I'll still have that. Let's try the demult effect. Okay, that was weird. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, so I know it's gonna make it kind of like this, but that's okay. We kind of wanted to do. We're gonna change the opacity later. That was so weird. That never happened before. Okay. Well, we go back here though. When we want to make our little fine tune adjustments though, we want to slide these over. So YouTube, so over a bit. Okay. Boom. Okay. Go back to composite shot 2. All right, and then okay. So sum it up there. We got our icons. We got this, and then now let's try to do one of the neon paths. I'm not sure if it's gonna work exactly like we want it, but we can try. Got reset here. Right now, I'm not gonna do that. Now let's go ahead and then trial and error. We're gonna do the neon glow here. Neon glow. Okay, so it's gonna do all of it, which is it's okay with it. Okay, now we'll do, let's see, night color. and then try to do that. Oh, we're still in the on path. Sorry about that. Alright, so let's do it gives you like the shadow look. You can also, that's on multiplied, but you can do like what, add, and then normal, which is about the same, overlay, which is the darker, and off-light. This is all pretty much. Let's do it compared to. Okay, so now we got that. Let's you could also, let's go back to add, and let's just go ahead and reduce the radius to make it clean. And then let's try to reduce the glow expansion, and I'll try the color too. Is not the best. I'll change it to maybe blue, see what that one looks like. Gives you that whole blue look here, but we can pick a different color. I'll try a darker blue, see what happens. And then tweak this one up a little bit and see. That's pretty alright, but in the end, when we get ready to do this, I kind of want to, it's all preference, but you kind of want to change the opacity a little bit to make it more, that way it's still, you can see the game as far as change the opacity like so. Say 50 is good. That way when the game excuse me. That way the gameplay's still going on and you can still see through this a little bit. There we have it. Now for that matter though, I'm gonna say, let's just say you had say you were doing a starting scene, right? And this is pretty much good to go, but let's say like we'll take a picture, I'll export the frame. Now when you export this one, suggest PNG and then alpha, that way the green is transparent. If you do it any other way, it'll still be like black or something. So do that, bingo. And then once you get here, we'll go to our creator dashboard and extensions. And my extensions, and you're looking for expert overlay expert. This is in Discovery. You can search it if you don't already have, but already have it. Click settings, and then you want to create a new overlay. They have a walkthrough here that you can do, but we're not going to do that for now. And then see, this would be your main overlay. The name of it, I don't know. Let's just do tutorial right here. Tutorial, add a new layer, and then from here, this will just be, we'll just call it gaming, main background, and then click this drop down, and we want to basically upload and import what we just made. So we'll look when extracted the frame. Boom, and it should load here soon, right here. And once it's done, you just click the check. And then, of course, it doesn't look sized up. So now we're going to move down here, go to size and position, 0 fill top and left, and then 19, 20, and 80. That's what we're going to be doing that for. Okay, we got to get rid of that new content right there. And then we'll go here and delete that, and boom. Okay, so now let's just say you wanted to, we can further go into this and add our text right here as far as add the new layer. We'll just say this would be labels, maybe. Labels sounds pretty good. We'll add the labels here if you want to, and then labels, we got that. Okay, and then let's go down here and then delete. Again, add a nested layer. So add a nested layer, we'll have a recent follower. Oops, I can't spell. Recent follower. Go. And then so we'll go down here, instead of like exiting it out, we'll go to edit and we can go to the text group text and get rid of it, and then we'll have the recent followers there. And then of course you can bring it back right here. You're gonna need to do some tweaking right here like that. And so once you get more, it'll do that little scroll, so you keep it in this little box here, if you will. And now once we do that right there, you can still add the other ones right here. We won't go through all that. And then of course you can add a text for all your other social medias. Can be right here like that. That's just an idea though. Also, for that, I wanted to show you. Let's just say you didn't want to just do this. You wanted like a starting scene. So, let me see. Just for we'll need to do these starting scenes. So add a new layer, and we're just gonna do this one. Go here and do that. Let's just say we wanted to add this be right back scene, right? Go to here, and once again, 0 for the top, 0 for the left, 1920, then 80, and then boom. Okay, so it's kind of got this little thing right here. We won't worry about that for right now. Okay, so we got that, but how do we get it on here, because it's a certain format? So we'll need to, I'll show you, and I'll leave the link in the description. This link right here, and then what we're gonna do is, it needs to be, it can't be MP4. It's gonna have to be find it. I got rid of that file, but let's just do we're just gonna add another file, number 10. We'll drag that and okay, there we go. Couldn't find that file. I just wanted to make this quick. The web, you're going to convert the web, and convert it, click convert, and then of course once it's doing its thing, it'll tell you to download right there once it's done downloading, and then it'll import your media file. So you'll be able to import whatever thing you made as far as that works. And then of course when you get down to let's just say this or whatever, and then you want it to go in your console and click the chat, quick toggle, you do the switch, and then leave it at broadcaster. That's going to be you, and you can do the on and off, and then how it goes into the scenes and changes like the transitions right there. And that's how that works there. Guys, if this was helpful at all, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy editing.